Hi guys, and welcome back to Project Ford UK. I'm Danny, and today it's not took long, but I finally bought another Ford. I've been absolutely itching, driving myself mad because I've been missing the Ford so much. I've been really enjoying driving the Evo and stuff, but I finally took the plunge and I've managed to find an absolute gem round the corner from where I live in Bolton, and I've managed to get myself an RS2000 Mark 6. I'm absolutely over the moon with this because it was only the other week that I did a special on my top eBay Fords of the week, and I did an RS2000 special, and while I was making that I thought, you know what, I wouldn't even mind one of these things. If I can get one cheap enough that needs a bit of work, I'll really enjoy doing the work myself. So I'm just going to take you outside now and just give you a glimpse of the car. I can never pronounce what colour green this is, but it's an MREG 1995 and it's done 103,000 miles and had 15 owners. The owners don't really matter to me. The car looks in pretty straight shape. It's got the standard alloy wheels on it, it's got a lovely interior in it as well. As I said a minute ago, I am going to be doing a full walk round on this car, but this is just a sneaky glimpse of it. I'm going to give it a bit of a bath, get it running, get the new battery on it, and hopefully I can get it over to the car park and make a good walk round video on it. But that's just a quick glimpse of the car. I'm going to be doing a full walk round as usual. It needs a new battery to get it up and running properly, but I'm going to take it to my usual car park and do a really thorough walk around the car, show you everything that's wrong with it, everything that's right with it, and what my plan's going to be with it. As usual, please hit the subscribe button if you want to follow my journey with this car. I plan on taking this right to the end, get the bodywork done, get everything running absolutely perfect with it. So please, as usual, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and any comments, leave them in the comment section below whether you like this car or not. I wasn't keen on the colour at first, but it really is growing on me, and hopefully this car can turn out to be a really nice car and I can have many happy drives in it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.